Take this out, slot it in, clip it, done. Now guys, what do we have here? Windscreen wipers. This is Wipeout. You can actually buy from them from Lazada, Shopee, contact them from Facebook, IG, or even TikTok. Or just visit their website here at www.wipeout.com.my. The packaging itself looks pretty good, eco-friendly packaging. To open it's pretty simple. There's two boxes here. You have a windscreen tablet, wash tablets, highly concentrated. It helps you to remove stain and oils. And this is a blade refill. They also gave me a voucher. It comes with warranty and it's 3 times more durable than normal wiper, and it can withstand 30 Celsius to 260 Celsius. Yeah, you know Malaysian weather is pretty hot, and it's a perfect fit and easy to install. Blades can be refilled. Ultra clear vision, very quiet, less than 20 decibels. Eco-conscious design, aerodynamic design, and an ultra beam silicone technology. Blade refillable technology cut down waste. Advanced aluminum alloy, lightweight technology. In my Xtrail, I have a 17-inch and also a 26-inch. This is a 17-inch one, yeah. So you just need to unclip this and then put in your wiper handle and then clip it back. Simple as that. A very easy to understand way of changing your wiper blades, yeah. And of course, this white thingy here is actually the cover to protect the rubber here. So this is also very durable. Look at this. I can bend it up to this level and it's still okay. So just imagine how durable is this, okay? This can last you a long time, yeah? All you need to do is just refill this. So guys, I have taken this out, the refill itself. This is the original one, of course. I'm going to save this for my next round of changing, yeah? I'm just going to show you guys how to put this back. I think you can see here, this part. Yep, this is the lowest part. This is where you wipe. All you need to do is just push it in. Yeah, either way will do. I think it's the same, right? So just put here, push it in, slide it. So just push it. And over here, on the other end, make sure it's in as well. And I'm done. Yeah, pretty simple. Okay, so that's how you put in your refill. Here are the wipers, and I'm going to change them. I'll be changing this one, the longer one. And I will need to, yeah, do this. And push this up and open this. Take this out. This is the old one. Let's take this out. Open this clip. And just slot it in. Clip it. Done. So let's try the wiper. It's quickly clean, yeah? So I'm going to spray some water. Almost perfect. Right, super clean. So right, started the car and look at that. Very good. You see the difference from here, right? So let's put one of these wash tablets. So this is how the tablet looks like. Okay, I think it's in. So just close this back and let the tablet dissolve. Then you will have a very clean wipe every single time. This is going to last for at least 1 year to 2 years. Then I have another refill and refill it. Can last me for another 1 to 2 years. Yeah, depending on how frequent I use it. I'll leave a link at the description for the Wipeout wipers. Okay, thank you. Bye.